This is our M100 round bale tractor-driven Hammermill. It's designed for bales from 1.2 up to 1.5 meters in diameter, or big packs from 2 meters to 2.5 meters. Just a quick run through of how the machine works. Bales are loaded from the front. We either, by hand, as with this model, or we also have an optional bale conveyor from 3 to 10 meters that you can actually load your bales on and will feed into the machine. It reduces your handling a bit. With this specific model, we have an hydraulically driven heavy-duty pintle chain with slats that feeds the bales into a bale shredder drum. It's rotating upwards, of course. There's about 72 serrated blades that cut and place and shred your bale through counter knives, depositing it directly into a secondary shredder disc with the same type of knives, and then from there on it's milled, or it goes from there to the screen section or the milling chamber section of the machine, where 12 hammers mill it through a screen of your choice. So you can have anything from a 6mm up to a 70mm screen, or anything between, depending on what you're milling. Average times for processing of your bales are anything from 3 minutes up to 8 minutes per bale, depending on what you're milling, and it also depends on how small or large your screen is that you're using for milling. Behind the shredder drum, we have our Hammermill of 1.5 meter diameter Hammermill, rotated with 12 blowers, with our Drotsky's distinctive 360-degree screen design. Outside of that screen, on the same shaft, there are between 6 and 8 blowers, depending on the model, which pull your product by air through the screen and deposit it into your feed mixer or milling room or a milling bin. The client has the option to decide how he wants to move the material, or where he wants to move the material moved. So we've got ducting on this specific model that's going to a cyclone, that's going to a feed mixer. You can of course have a large storage unit which you can be blowing your product into, or into a milling room, as some guys do it, or some guys use it for.